Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or off caption on TikTok. So first of all, open TikTok account, tap onto profile. This is my video. I am using the caption, so now I'm turn off this caption. Tap onto three dot and turn on caption, or again to turn off caption. So that's how you can easily turn on or off caption on TikTok. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial review channel for more video.